Jeneral Hasoru Malu, o primeiro-ministro Xanana, onde remetem lutar parceria entre Timor-Leste e os Estados Unidos da América. Quinta-feira, primeiro-ministro Jeneral Xanana Guzmão halou encontro o chefe de gabinete Guarda Nacional, Ministério da Defesa Estados Unidos da América, General Norhouse, e o Palácio Governo dele. Foi no encontro General Stephen informa e o encontro halou discussão com o valor no parceria Sira, nebe e a parte ida do Guarda Nacional, programa parceria Estado-União. Portanto, a importância da colaboração e continuação entre Estados Unidos e América no Timor-Leste e o setor de defesa, no visão a muito do futuro e de seguro no próspero.
Good afternoon. I'm General Steve Nordhaus, 30th Chief of the National Guard Bureau. And I first want to thank you very much for the opportunity to come to your great nation of Timor-Leste. This is my first visit and had a great opportunity to meet with Prime Minister today, Guzmão. And we had great discussions together about our shared values and partnerships. And part of the National Guard is the State Partnership Program. And today we talked about Rhode Island, which is also partnered with Timor-Leste, and the great things that they bring together in our shared values. It's with sincere appreciation that partnership started in 2020 and it was signed in 2023, and already Rhode Island National Guard has had over 30 engagements and multiple different exercises with the people of Timor-Leste. By working together and exchanging best practices, we learn from each other and take those shared values to make sure our countries are safe and prosperous and bring shared peace through strength with that togetherness. The National Guard, we say, is always ready and always there, and we look forward for our long partnership with Timor-Leste. Thank you.
No durante visita a Timor-Leste, General Nordhaus halou uma discussão alto nível ao presidente da República do Ramos Horta, ministro da Defesa, Donaciano Pedro Clamarfuig, inclui o chefe Estado-Maior General Calixto dos Santos Coliati. Reportagem Fifanya de Carvalho, Imaculada Tefa, Televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no faixa tutang ba media sosial hotu.